Everybody is obsessed with these multitasking kind of products these days. It's just like a hot keyword. I've used this a lot. This color is Fervor. So what I'm going to do here, it's highly, highly pigmented. So I'm actually going to take my little Q-tip here so that you could see the color. Okay, this is not showing very well because I've used it so many times. I think I squished it once. So look, you could use it on your lips. Really pretty. But it's a blush stick. Blush stick. So, here we go. I'm always very careful with blush, right? With blush and with this kind of product, you're getting a lot of pigment and you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Okay, so here it is on, right? Beautiful color, I love Fervor. And now I'm gonna take my giant blendy brush. And here we go. Now a little trick for you. Okay, so I wanna write this down for myself. I'm gonna timestamp this because I'm gonna show you guys a really cool trick. All right, so 240, okay. Blush. I'm timestamping it so that I know to go back when I end because I wanna show you. All right, so here's something, a little trick. I showed you guys the beautiful foundation earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my little blush slash bronzer trick. Now, Jane also has beautiful blush, bronzing sticks, just like this one, right? But you can use my little trick. You could invest in this beautiful foundation, right? So we're gonna do a tiny bit here. Tiny, tiny bit, like that was even too much, okay? So I have the foundation, and then I'm going to take my blush stick here. Now you could really see the color, right? And then I'm gonna take this beautiful blendy brush, right? We always think, and I'm gonna mix them together. Do you see how sheer and lightweight that is? And I'm gonna put it on this side, so I don't have any blush on this side. So what I just did, I blended my foundation with my blush a tiny, tiny bit, and now I'm gonna go all around. So that is my little trick. So if you just wanna buy like 1 or 2 products, right? If your budget is only allowing for maybe like 1 blush and a foundation, there you have it. So I hope that was helpful.